According to a new USDA report, nearly 1 in 7 U.S. households struggled with food security in 2024. And in La Crosse County, some new resources are being rolled out to help better connect people with food assistance. Crystal is back with us now. And Crystal, what can you tell us about this new resource?
Well, Dustin, it's essentially a food resource map. It combines a food resource list with an interactive map, allowing people to search for nearby food options based on what they need and where they live. It's available through the Crosse County Health Department's website, and it includes a multi-page list of food pantries, free community meals, senior food programs, and neighborhood little free pantries. The new interactive map allows users to zoom in on specific communities and filter results by resource type. Now, county officials say the need for a tool like this comes as more families struggle to balance basic expenses.
I mean, they're paying rent, they're turning to transportation, and food costs continue to rise. So we want to be sure that people have the food to feed themselves and their family, especially children. We need to be sure that children have the food they need to grow and be healthy.
And with millions of U.S. households experiencing very low food security, and that's according to that USDA report, the goal of this map is to remove any possible confusion and help families quickly find places where food assistance is actually available.
Specific to food resources for families that may not have the income and they want to know where they can use their WIC benefits, for example, or their SNAP benefits, or where they can just go get a healthy meal. A lot of churches in our communities do meals, and so we want families to know where they can go get a free meal.
And an interesting feature of the map is that it includes different data layers showing things like poverty levels and households without vehicles in the county, all things that could help identify gaps in food access in the future, Dustin.
Yeah, and it seems like this is something useful not only for people searching for those resources, but for the policymakers out there as well to be able to look at these different things.
And that's one thing the health officials talked to me about, is that this is a resource they can use moving forward in research within the county as well.
Yeah, and only in La Crosse County right now, though?
So far, only in La Crosse County, but there are statewide maps that already exist for things like WIC-approved farmers markets.
All right, something we'll keep an eye on. Thanks, Crystal.